Imagine this. Your lawn is overgrown, the sun is out, and you finally bring out the mower after weeks. You pull the cord. Nothing. Again. Still nothing. What happened? What went wrong? Here's the brutal truth. Most lawnmowers don't break down because of age, they die because no one ever cleaned them properly. Today, we're going to change that story for your mower. And if you find value in storytelling that brings real solutions to life's everyday problems, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to The Big Sweep. We don't think about it often, but that little machine parked in your garage, the lawnmower, works harder than we give it credit for. Through grass clippings, mud, oil buildup, and even tiny rocks, it keeps pushing until it can't anymore. Most of us, unfortunately, treat it like a disposable item. We use it, store it, and forget it, until one day it stops working and we just assume it's old. But that's not the truth. The real problem? Neglect. Let me tell you something many mechanics won't. Dirt and grass buildup under your mower blade is like cholesterol in your arteries. It's slowly choking your machine. The engine works harder, the blade slows down, and eventually, it just gives up. But what if you could reverse all of that? With just a few simple steps at home. Step 1. Preparing like a pro. Now before you do anything, safety comes first. Always remove the spark plug wire. Why? Because lawnmowers can unexpectedly start if you rotate the blade. Sounds scary? It is. But now you know better. Flip the mower on its side, air filter and carburetor facing up, to avoid leaks. Already this small attention to detail sets you apart from 90% of users. Step 2. The underside horror story. Underneath that mower lies a horror movie scene. Hardened clumps of grass, caked on dirt, maybe even bits of plastic and rock. Take a putty knife or an old brush and scrape everything off. You might be shocked at how much is down there. But here's the thing. Every time you do this, you add months, sometimes years, to your mower's life. Step 3. The blade's silent cry. Have you ever thought about what a blade goes through? It spins at thousands of RPM, cutting through moisture-laden grass, weeds, and sometimes sticks. It dulls, it chips, it suffers in silence. Sharpen the blade if you see any nicks. If you don't know how, remove it and take it to a local shop. A sharp blade doesn't just cut cleaner, it saves your engine from overworking. Step 4. The engine's breath of fresh air. Let's talk about the air filter. That little square of foam or paper is like your mower's lungs. If it's clogged, it chokes. And when it chokes, the engine burns more fuel, more oil, and eventually burns out. Clean it. If it's too dirty, replace it. It costs less than a cup of coffee, but can add seasons to your machine's lifespan. Step 5. The oil that no one talks about. Most people forget the oil entirely, and those who don't often use the wrong kind or forget when they last changed it. Would you run a car without oil for a year? No. Then why do that to your mower? You know, this isn't just about cleaning a lawnmower. It's about how we treat the tools that make our lives easier. Sometimes we forget they need care too. That old mower might be your dad's, or maybe it's the first one you bought for your home. It has history, stories, maybe even struggle. Keeping it clean isn't just maintenance, it's respect. For what it does, for what it's helped you do. A clean mower teaches us something deeper. Preventative care is always easier than emergency repair. Whether it's relationships, health, or even small machines in your garage, if we take time to care now, we avoid the pain later. Strange how something as simple as lawn maintenance can remind us of life's deeper truths, right? So the next time you hear that engine roar after cleaning it, know this: you didn't just maintain a machine, you gave it a new life. A life it will repay with performance, reliability, and years of service. All it asked for was a little bit of your time, and you gave it that. And if you appreciated this deeper way of looking at everyday tasks, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more such emotionally engaging stories, and share this with someone who owns a lawnmower but hasn't cleaned it in years. You might just save them from a costly mistake. Then, don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list an emergency speed cleaning checklist. And as a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community made for women.